Stop what you're doing. This is huge. Trump family's World Liberty Financial just bought 250,000 USDC worth of ONDO tokens, and it's got the community buzzing. But that's not all. ONDO has a massive 134% token unlock coming up, and I'm here to tell you why it doesn't matter. This is more than just about a token unlock. It's about how real-world assets and institutional players are shaping the future of crypto. So stick around to find out why ONDO is quickly becoming one of the top plays of this entire bull run, exactly as I predicted. Let's get it.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Welcome to BitBoyX, home of the Bit Squad, the highest IQ investors in all the interwebs. I'm your humble host, the BitBoy. If you want to stay ahead of the game and position yourself for massive gains, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell. If you hate this video, then hit the dislike button. It helps me just as much. Now, let's start with the headline. World Liberty Financial, the Trump family's crypto investment arm, just bought 250 grand worth of ONDO tokens. That's not just a casual buy, that's a serious endorsement. Trump himself has been clear about his plans to make the U.S. a leader in crypto.
This afternoon, I'm laying out my plan to ensure that the United States will be the crypto capital of the planet and the Bitcoin superpower of the world, and we'll get it done.
And this move shows that they're not just talking, they're acting. Here's why this is such a big deal. ONDO is at the forefront of tokenized real-world assets, or RWAs. Think about it. We're talking bonds, real estate, and other traditional investments that are now being brought on chain. It's a multi-trillion-dollar market, and ONDO is positioning itself as the go-to platform for institutional adoption. And let's not forget, the Trump family isn't just buying crypto for the hype. They're buying projects with real utility and institutional backing. ONDO's involvement in tokenized RWAs makes it a perfect fit for that strategy. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, as we always do. ONDO's 134% token unlock is happening January 18th. And yeah, that's a huge number. Yeah, it sounds scary. But let me explain why it's not quite the disaster that many people are thinking that it is. First off, over 60% of the unlocked tokens are going to institutional investors. That means the majority of these tokens aren't hitting the open market. They're going to players who are in it for the long term. Now, institutions don't buy to dump. They buy to hold, to stake, and to participate in the ecosystem. Second, the actual sell pressure from this unlock is minimal. A small percentage of the tokens will be liquid, and most of those will be used strategically within ONDO's ecosystem. So while the headline number might sound intimidating and terrifying, the reality is much more controlled, as it always is. Let me break it down for you. When tokens are unlocked, retail investors tend to panic and sell, but savvy investors, like the institutions holding ONDO, know this creates a buying opportunity. You don't want to be the person who's caught panic selling before realizing the unlock barely affected the market. So why is ONDO one of the top plays of this bull run? It's simple. ONDO's solving a real-world problem. Tokenized RWAs are the bridge between traditional finance and crypto. We've been telling you about them all year. Institutions love RWAs because they're stable, scalable, and incredibly lucrative. ONDO's USDY stablecoin, backed by real-world assets, is already being used in major ecosystems like Navi on the Sui blockchain. Seems like the best like to get together. Now, this isn't just speculation. This is real utility driving a real demand. And think about this. ONDO has outperformed many of its peers in the market, already up 4x from its local low. While Bitcoin is doubling, ONDO is delivering exponential gains. Now that's the kind of performance and outperformance that you want in your portfolio. Here's the big picture. ONDO isn't just about this bull run, it's about the long-term transformation of the crypto space. As more institutions enter the market, and they will and they are, they're not looking for meme coins or hype projects. Those are the penny stocks. They're looking for utility, stability, and innovation. That's exactly what ONDO offers. And with players like the Trump family and other institutional investors backing it, ONDO is quickly becoming a blue chip token in the RWA sector. So what's the takeaway? ONDO is making waves, and for good reason. With Trump's $250,000 buy, its role in tokenized RWAs, and its strong institutional backing, ONDO is shaping up to be one of the most exciting plays of this cycle. And don't let the token unlock scare you. It's just another opportunity for the smart money to win. What do you think? Is ONDO on your radar, or are you just starting to see its potential? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below. Now, if you want to trade ONDO, don't forget the best place to do that is with my trading partner of choice, Phemex. Make sure to use my link down below in the description or in the QR code and get up to 30,000 USDT in bonuses. Hey, that sounds pretty good at a time like this. That's all I got. Be blessed. Good boy out.